Back to sleep, baby. Oh God, somebody in my group said theirs went through. Someone in my group said theirs went through. What is going on? My thing paused in the middle of the transaction. Yeah. Come on. Ah. Hmm? What? What? When? Oh, at school? That's the school that called her? Called you? Oh. What happened? Okay. Oh shit. This shit is nerve wracking like fuck. Yo, if you see how much messages coming in the My Diamond Team group. Yo, what the hell? If this the My Diamond Team group, where's the am I not in the Piston group? Oh, messages aren't allowed. Oh, there go my video people. Flames. Left. 9. Oops. Yay. Oh my god, this is nerve wracking, people. This is nerve wracking. I'm gonna pause the mic for a second. I gotta turn my mic back on. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? I caught it on video. Soon as it opened up, soon as it updated, I already enabled it from the last time, but soon as it updated, soon as the page refreshed, it popped up, as you guys saw. I pressed deposit. I put 203, pressed deposit, and it was already sold out? How does that make any sense? Is this happening to anybody else out there? I'm about to post this on YouTube right now. This is crazy. You guys can hear me, right? Yeah, just making sure. This is wild. How did that just happen? How? How did that happen? All their works to try to keep our bots. It look like bots still got in, or maybe when they paused it the other time, they let all their friends get in. I don't know. I don't want to sound like I'm bashing it, but that just seems, I don't know. This seems very unlikely to me. How? That wasn't even like a second, not even 2 seconds. Let me see what's going on in Telegram group. Is it saying it's paused again? I'm so confused. Wow. Yeah, I'm so confused, y'all. No way. Ain't no way, man. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. At least I got a little bit in yesterday, but ain't no way. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Hold up. Before I even jump to conclusions, let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Let me jump over to Pancake Swap. I didn't really have to do that. Let me just go to BUSD. Let me see if my BUSD came out. If not, I'm gonna be kind of confused. No, I still got the 203. Oh my God, ain't no way, man. Jesus Christ. That's crazy. They got me. Wow. All right, people. If you guys got to get into the pre-sale today, leave a comment down below. I don't know how you would have did it. You must have had a supercomputer, or you must have been one of the people that was working with the project that paused the pre-sale so that they could buy in. Cause I don't even think the devs would have been able to buy in. You know what I mean? All right then, people. A little disappointed, but still optimistic. I do have a little bit already. Yikes. All right, it's nice to been Copy. I'm out.